Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at a Spiritual Goodies subscription box. So I have done a couple of these, I absolutely adore them. Thank you so much to Spiritual Goodies for sending us another box. So this retails for $40 if you do the month to month. And they were awesome enough to send us a discount code for $10 off your first box. So all of that information will be down in the description box below, as well as in a pinned comment by me so that you can go directly to it should you want to. So like I said, it's a subscription box and they normally have themes. So they told me that they sent me the third eye chakra themed box. So this is a past box. And I looked on their website and you can purchase past boxes that are available if they still have enough of the product left over. So let's get into it. I can't wait. I'm excited. And here we go. We open it up like this. Oh, love it already. Okay. So first things first, we have an affirmation card. I love these because I put it on the altar and I can look at it all day, or you can put it on your vanity or kitchen counter, however you spend your day, where you spend your day the most, I should say. This is a perfect thing to have in front of you at all times for a reminder. I am wise, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. Love it. Okay, then we have an information pamphlet about the third eye chakra. So it's the sixth chakra. The Sanskrit name is Ajna, which means perceiving and command. So it gives you all of the information here. So that's fantastic. We even have affirmations. And if you guys know me, you know I love my affirmations. All right, and then this is the little guide that tells you what is inside your box. All right. Oh, we have a tarot, a full set. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna go through what's in the box and then we'll kind of look at all of the information about it. So let's get surprised here. I'm excited. Ah, it's tea. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, so I'm a huge tea drinker and I'm all for like finding new tea blends, and this one is specific for your third eye. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. So we have rose hips, lychee berries, oat straw, rosemary, and lavender flowers. And this one is caffeine free. What? That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. And so I do have to point out, every box that I've had from Spiritual Goodies, they have wrapped everything immaculate. Everything is, comes whole. Nothing's damaged. It's fantastic. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a little wind clinger thing. Wind clinger. That's a word for sure. So you have the little suction cup hook. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Little prism at the end. So you can hang it on your window. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep going. I see a pendulum. Oh my gosh. This is like Christmas. Look at that. Oh, I just tangled it. Okay, I think that's Sodalite. I always get Sodalite and lapis confused for some reason, because they look very similar. I'm pretty sure that's Sodalite. That's nice, and that's hefty. So here is my Labradorite that I work with all the time for comparison. Oh, it's a bigger one. It's a bigger stone. Oh, that's nice. And then it has the little bead at the end to hold on. I love it. Okay. Is this another crystal? Oh. It's a tower. This looks like Rainbow Moonstone. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I gotta look. Oh, it is a Sodalite Pendulum, and it is a Rainbow Moonstone Tower. Oh my gosh. Wow. And like I said, with the pendulum, this is hefty too. Oh my gosh. Okay, then we've got, yeah, all of the crystal stuff is intact. I don't see any chipping. I don't see any cracks, any breaks. Ooh, this is Labradorite. Raw. Let's see. I love that it comes with this, so you know exactly what you're getting. Raw Labradorite. Yay. Oh my gosh. This is a literal full set of tarot. That's awesome. And it does have the guidebook. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then you can recycle this stuff, this packaging fluff. Okay. So now let's look at all that we have. And then what's great about the little pamphlet is it actually has what the retail value of all of this is. And again, you are paying $40 for the whole box. Okay, so all of this. And then, oh, don't forget the tea. All right, so let's go through. So we have the Amethyst Tree of Life hanging prism, so $12. The Tree of Life symbolizes life itself. It connects all forms of life to Mother Earth and the universe, with its branches reaching out to the universe and its roots buried in the earth. Just hang it in a sunny window and watch as the sunlight moves through the prisms, transforming your space with rainbows and light. It can be used to energize a home or a room and is perfect for improving the energy or chi in any space. This is another thing that I love about this box, is that it doesn't just randomly put things together in a box and have you kind of go for it. It gives you indications on how to use it or how they would use it and how it relates to the theme of the box. Then we have the Rainbow Moonstone Tower, which is $20. With the Rainbow Moonstone Tower, the crystal stands on a solid base before rising to meet to a point that channels energy from the ground up and radiates your dreams and desires out into the wider world. By cleansing the heart, the third eye, and the crown chakras, you can tune into your own sense of wisdom and move beyond boundaries and into the whole new spiritual space. Then the Sodalite Pendulum, which would be $10, and sometimes they're even more expensive depending on the crystal and depending on where you purchase them. So this is a tool, and then it tells you how to use the pendulum and how to cleanse it. Sodalite is a stone that soothes the mind and provides mental clarity. It stimulates intuition, psychic abilities, and clairvoyance. Sodalite enhances and heightens the connection to the spiritual world, allowing you to access messages, symbols, patterns, and communications beyond the physical realm. I usually always wear a Sodalite pendant that is similar shape, and I do actually use it sometimes as a pendulum, and it's awesome. So then we have the Wisdom Seeker Tarot, which obviously we know what tarot is used for and how to use it. And this is by David Fontana. So I'm excited about an actual tarot deck in the kit. It's not just 1 or 2 cards. That's so awesome. So this retails for $19. So like before we even get here for the rest of the stuff, we have already made our money back with the amount of stuff that's in the box. Then we have the raw Labradorite, which is $5. I am obsessed with Labradorite. I love it. It is the stone of transformation. It makes things happen. Let's see. This crystal can help you harness the power of your third eye for strengthening intuition and promoting psychic abilities. A stone of transformation, Labradorite is a helpful companion through change, imparting strength and perseverance. It balances and protects the aura, raises consciousness, and grounds spiritual energies. Labradorite strengthens faith in yourself and trust in the universe. When your inner artist is surging, this stone can also be useful for harnessing your imagination to give you a refreshing tap into your creativity. The Labradorite stone is iridescent with hues of green, brown, blue, and orange. The complexity of its coloring reflects the deep mystery of the third eye. And last product, we have the Third Eye Chakra Tea, which retails for $5. Caffeine free, and it includes the ingredients that we already went over. This insightful herbal blend brews to a light golden color with a heady aroma and a light floral taste. So suggestion would be to brew 1 teaspoon in 8 ounces of boiling water and steep for about 10 minutes. And then it gives you a chakra meditation and a spiritual teacher spotlight. And then what's on the back here? Working with the mudras, deep breathing, candle gazing, color therapy, going outside, and journaling. So it gives you actions on how to activate and use your third eye chakra. So if you have not tried out spiritual goodies before, or any sort of spiritual / witchy subscription box, this one you can do month to month. You can try it out, or you can, like I said, purchase past boxes and then, you know, check it out, see if you like it. It's a fun way of getting brand new tools, brand new points of view for your practices, brand new ways of going about doing things. It's a great learning tool as well. I've had nothing but wonderful experiences with this company, and they're so kind, and the way that they put a box together is very mindful and at the same time meaningful. This all works together. There's a purpose for each tool, and it goes with without saying that having something like this that guides you through how to use it is perfect for beginners. So I am excited about this. I can't wait to use all of this. This is fantastic. So now I throw it over to you. Have you purchased a spiritual goodies box before? What was your experience? Are you continually receiving it? Did you buy this for a gift for someone? How did they like it? Or is this something that you're not interested in? Some people don't like subscription boxes, or they don't like to have to, you know, be surprised. They like to buy what they want. But it's very nice to treat yourself to something that you didn't pick out. Like, it's always Christmas when you get a subscription box. So I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you again to Spiritual Goodies for sending this my way. It is fantastic. I just can't thank you guys enough for what you do. This is great. And as always, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Thank you for continually coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.